Alright, how you doing guys? This is Ntobeko Kulu and I'm going to be showing you in the next few minutes how you can make money online, how you can earn a full-time income online. Now, I don't want you to expect this video to be scripted because this is not an advertisement, okay? This is merely an introduction or an introductory training for you. So we're not going to do anything that's scripted. So I just have a prepared slide for you so you can follow with me, and I'll give you a couple of really good points and information on earning a full-time income online. All right, so now before I start, I just want to share with you these few quotes because the most important thing in anything in life is your mentality. Okay, so Robert Kiyosaki is one of the most successful people in the world financially. Okay, and he says before you can transform your wallet from poor to rich, you've got to transform your spirit from poor to rich. So you have to transform your spirit, your mind, how you think. Every time you think you can't do something, someone else thinks they can. And losers are people who are afraid of losing. Okay, so what I want you to do right now, I want you to take out of your mind the idea that, well, this is yet another scam, this is yet another person trying to scam me, because that's exactly the mentality that keeps you from succeeding online. At least I want you to listen and get the information and take action. Now let's continue. Okay, keep all these quotes in your mind, because if you don't get this right, if you don't get your mind right, then there's no point in continuing with this video, because you have to get your mind right. Think rich, feel rich, behave like a rich person would behave. And who do you listen to when you want to be rich? You listen to the rich. Okay, so take a chance with me. So the secret to earning money online, are you ready for it? Is there is no secret. There is no secret to earning money online. There is nothing hidden. Okay, and online there is much fewer scams than you think. Okay, I know it's so easy to just say, oh, online there's so many scams, I don't want to get scammed, etc, etc. It's so easy to think that, but when you come to think of it, there's not that many scams online. In fact, there are so many legitimate opportunities that need to be taken advantage of. Okay, the problem is the information is there. It's just taking action that is the problem, because you're not sure where to go, what to do, how to do it. Okay, and then when you don't get success, you start thinking I was scammed, when you don't really realize that you were not scammed, you just had to take action. Okay, now action is what makes you successful. If you take action, that's when you learn your lessons, that's when you know what to do and what not to do and when to do it. Okay, now like I said, take action. I have to emphasize on this. Take action. If you do not take action, you will not see the results. Okay, I've emphasized on your mentality, and I've emphasized on your taking action. All right, now what do you need to make money online? Well, for this training, right, for this kind of or way of making money online, you need traffic, which is people, and you need to send these people to a product, right? A legitimate product, of course, because online is not 100% scam free, but it's way less full of scams than you think. Okay, so you send the people to your product, and if they buy your product, opt into your product, then you will get income. Now, where is the problem then? So the problem that you need to solve is, how do you convert your traffic, your people, into sales? Okay, how do you do that? Well, that's pretty simple. You follow a simple solution, which is funneling your traffic to making more than just sales. Okay, get your people through a funnel, right? Don't just promote your product. Okay, don't just take your traffic. Don't do this. Don't just take your traffic, send it to the product and expect income, right? What you need to do is, you need to take your traffic or your people, build rapport with them. What does that mean? Build a relationship with them. Okay, give them something of value. All right, and when you give them something of value, you've built your rapport. Then you can capture your leads, and then after capturing your leads, you can convert your leads into a sale. All right, and then you convert your leads further through back end offers or sales, which means you'll be making more money. Okay, and then you transform those people into successful people like you. They'll be thankful. They'll be thankful, and you'll make money, and you'll build a reputation. Okay, or you build a name. Let me just say that you'll build a name, right? It's all about momentum. Okay, it's basically it, right? Follow this sequence. Follow this sequence. Okay, now in order to do this, in order to follow this sequence, okay, you will need a system that will help you to execute this. Okay, because you have to set everything up, right? So if you have a system that helps you set this up, then you have a huge advantage from your competition. Okay, so we have a system, and it's called eBoss Academy. All right, that is the system that we have that helps you do what I just showed you, so that you can convert, you can create, and you can convert your leads, and you can earn money while you're at it. Earn $5 per conversion, plus other earnings within the system. Okay, and when you sign up, you get a $10 sign up bonus. Also, you are buying a product, so you are buying a product, and you are referring people to the product, and therefore you'll be earning income from those conversions, and you'll be earning other earnings within the system, okay, from the same people. All right, and then you learn also advanced traffic getting methods, which are going to be updated on a continuous basis, and there's many more things that you will get, like an opportunity to get multiple streams of income. All right, now I just want to give you an example. Let's say you have 100 people subscribing through your referral link. That means you are going to be making $500 from those people merely subscribing, and that is a recurring income because they will be paying a subscription each and every month, and you'll be making $500 from that, including other earnings. Now let me just give an example. Let's say the other earnings are $20. Obviously it's going to be way more than that. Let's say it's just $20. All right, now if you get $20 from the same 5 people, you are going to be making over $1,000. Okay, you'll be making over $1,000, $2,000, or $1,000 around there with the system. So as you can see, this is built to give you recurring income, to educate you about how you can make money online, and to empower you so that you are happy and you can refer others to what you are happy about, and know how to refer them to this system. So you can sign up below and we'll hook you up with a system, and we're gonna be educating you step by step how you can build your own funnel, the funnel that we spoke about earlier. Okay, so sign up below. Let's start making some money. If you do not take action now, you'll always be looking. You'll always be watching videos, and you'll always be watching people showing you proof of payment and getting excited about it and not signing up. You'll see people driving nice cars, and you'll see realistic presentations like this one and still not sign up. You understand? You need to take action. This is $10, and this is the least you'll ever pay for a system. You know, because the biggest mistake people make online is that they think that if you want to make money online, you must not invest. That's a one-way ticket to failure. You have to start learning how to invest. I would give you this for free, but for your sake, I cannot give it to you for free, because you need to learn the most important principle, which is learn how to invest. Right? So invest this $10 and invest in knowledge, invest in empowering yourself, and invest in an opportunity to refer other people and earn money as well. See you on the other side. Cheers.